Nurse practitioners. Have you ever thought about earning extra income outside of your 9 to 5? Today, we're diving into powerful side hustles and entrepreneurial opportunities that can open new doors for you. Let's start with telehealth. This is one of the fastest growing opportunities for nurse practitioners. With more patients turning to online care, starting a telehealth clinic allows you to see patients virtually, set your own schedule, and reduce overhead costs compared to a traditional office. Next, aesthetics. From Botox to fillers to skincare treatments, this field is booming. Nurse practitioners can build a lucrative aesthetics practice, combining medical expertise with high-demand beauty services. It's a great way to merge patient care with entrepreneurship. Another exciting side hustle is legal nurse consulting. In this role, you use your clinical expertise to review medical records and provide insights for attorneys in legal cases. It's rewarding, flexible, and can be done alongside your clinical work. Fourth, teaching and mentorship. Whether it's precepting students, teaching at a nursing program, or offering private coaching, education is a powerful side hustle. You'll inspire the next generation of nurses while earning additional income. Lastly, writing and content creation. From blogs and books to online courses and medical writing, NPs are in demand for credible, expert content. This side hustle can grow into a steady stream of passive income. Remember, entrepreneurship is within your reach as a nurse practitioner. It's about taking the first step toward building the career and income you truly want. Want more guidance on building your nurse practitioner career and preparing for boards? Head over to LatrinaWaldenExamSolutions.com for expert resources, courses, and tips to help you succeed. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. So, what side hustles are you considering? Let me know in the comments below.